my name's Duncan White. I am the managing editor of the International Fire and Safety Journal. I'm here at Intersec in Dubai, and I am delighted to be joined by Mohammad Bany-Hathel. Hey,
nice
good morning. I was going to say good afternoon. We're ahead of ourselves already. You can probably hear in the background, this is buzzing, and we've taken a little while to actually get standing in front of each other because this stand has just been so busy. HEN Nozzles are taking the market really by storm, and we're going to find out a little bit more about this. So, Mohammad, tell me about you, tell me about your company.
Alqudra-Global, a group of companies we have established in the market since 2007, and we are focusing on the latest technology in the world to empower it in the region of Middle East and Africa. Usually what we are doing, we focus on the international companies who's looking for the best opportunity to present their products and services in the market, and that's what we did already before with so many brands. Recently, we were in the exhibition of FDIC in United States, in Indianapolis, and that was a very good exhibition for us as well, like same here as Intersec. You know, these events, it's a very important for connection and networking. So we have met HEN Nozzles over there. Our clients was with us and they liked the products so much. We go through the information and we found that HEN Nozzle is one of the revolutionary product that we are focusing to be a part of the market, and it takes a very important part in the market to distribute and to make some effort for that in the market. So we start actually our agreement for distribution with the HEN Nozzles last 6 months, and that was a very impressive for the clients.
Mohammad mentioned FDIC. Like Intersec, FDIC is so deeply rooted in the foundations of the fire industry, and this year is going to be my 26th trip to FDIC. Even though this isn't about FDIC, if you want to be seen and see what's going on, FDIC is certainly the place to be in April. Mohammad, we talked about Sun Nozzles and the meeting with those guys down at FDIC. As a retired firefighter of 32 years, life safety, firefighter safety is my focus, my priority. It's why I still love this industry so much. HEN Nozzles have really hit the jackpot in terms of the innovation, which in itself is going to make life more tenable for firefighters when they are compartment firefighting, which will also in turn make life safety so much better for people that may be affected by the fire. Tell us what makes Sun Nozzles different.
Okay. The first thing, as a distributor, we are looking to have marketing analysis. So we make analysis in the market, see what's the needs. Second thing, which is very important as well, is going through the technical specification of the product. How this can make a difference in the market. And this really makes me impressed and really looking after the clients to see this technology. HEN Nozzles, they have a very unique thing, which is making the flow of water in a blade system, which is really fulfilling the gaps, can reduce the temperature in a very quick time, reducing the amount of water by using. It can also make the needs of the firefighting in so many scenarios, actually most of the scenarios, filled by this kind of technology. HEN Nozzles, as we make a lot of demonstration with the clients, more than 50 demonstrations within 6 months, big one. 50 demonstrations because they are asking to call another people to see this technology, which we are expecting this year, inshallah, to get a lot of sales from different countries in the region. We did it in UAE with so many entities. We did in Qatar as well. We did in Saudi Arabia, in Jordan. Saudi Arabia was invited to see that here in UAE. Soon we will be moving to Saudi Arabia. So back to the importance of HEN Nozzles. HEN Nozzles makes a revolution technology which will really solve a big problem for firefighters, especially when you have the blade system, as you saw the video. If you just go through the video and you can see it, the blade system can really cover a big places in a very wide angle. So that makes the thing very, very practical for the firefighters, especially when you talk about the amount of water that you are spending. You can lose a lot of water in the normal nozzles. I'm saying that that's a bad nozzles, it's a good nozzles in some scenarios, but sometimes you have a lot of saving of amount of water, controlling the fire in a very short time. At the same time, it's really can reduce also the power that you got. We have something called in the HEN nozzles called turbo. Turbo can reduce the pressure so they can control it very easy as a firefighter, which will make you a very practical in fighting the fire.
Exactly. Yeah. And again, that maneuverability.
Yes, exactly, maneuverability.
And also the effects on the physical effects
Absolutely.
on the firefighter. The lighter, the more maneuverable, the more energy the firefighter is going to have to endure what's going on.
Absolutely, absolutely, and that's what we have seen feedback from the clients. Actually, usually when we got any distribution agreement with any technology we usually take a lot of notes that should be changed. In HEN nozzles, honestly, they are more than satisfied with the result that they have. I mean, when you got this technology in a blade system and you can do it vertically, horizontally, you can flip it very quick. You have the reducer, pressure reducer, which is the turbo. You are doing the best thing for them. So they are very satisfied, they are very happy, and we are actually very lucky to get HEN Nozzles distribution agreement with them in the whole region.
That was good. I think my next question was going to be how did you come up with the partnership and the agreement, and with your knowledge and understanding of the region and HEN Nozzles product, a great solution for the Middle East.
Yes, absolutely. And this is actually not only in the firefighting departments. There are so many, our region, it's a very developed region, and you can go through a lot of entities who is separated than the firefighting departments. For example, the oil and gas field, it's very important for them, for heavy industries as well. If you just also visit the huge industry area, they have their private fire team. So when you go there and you show them how effective is this, that's really impressed. And thanks God that HEN Nozzles team are very flexible and very cooperative together. We get the feedback from the clients if they have they're looking for something special for them, customized. We talk to the HEN Nozzles and they go through their technical team, see the possibility of doing that. So we are always open to get any feedback from the clients, especially when they see this benefits out of HEN Nozzles. They would be very happy to continue working on that. Yeah.
And I think what I see as a successful partnership between yourselves and HEN Nozzles is that you are big enough to be a player, but you are not too big to lose sight of the focus on customer service.
Yes.
And as an end user, I will be looking to build that relationship, so I know that I've got my point of contact in the region, but also knowing that HEN Nozzles are there to give you the support you need.
Right.
And it's that relationship building, and they say people work with people.
Right.
And so when I pick the phone up, I want to be speaking to you or one of your colleagues, not to somebody that I've never had the ability to meet.
Yes, actually, in our business vision, we actually don't take any responsibility away from our in charges. I mean, like, we have to fulfill the client's needs in everything, not only in the after sale service, even not only before selling and after selling. So we always talk to the clients frankly. HEN Nozzles as well, we have big trust between us, and that's what makes, inshallah, the upcoming future is very full of success stories between the clients and us and HEN Nozzles, of course.
Unfortunately, we've still got a lot of unreputable companies in the market that are happy to talk before the sale and take the money, but it's afterwards where they disappear.
This is the hardest part, actually.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think this is where the partnership here with Mohammad and the team at HEN Nozzles is going to go from strength to strength, because it's that whole life package. It's the pre-sale information, it's the sale, and then it's the customer customer service, but more importantly, it's about taking feedback from the end user. How the nozzle works, is there any way? And HEN Nozzles are always looking to improve and redefine and make things better for the end user. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely.
And I think that's what I'm more than happy to talk to anybody in the market, but I'm also happy to hear things when I know and feel that I'm believing what I'm hearing. And this man here is certainly good. And the region of the Middle East is very fortunate. What difference does HEN Nozzles make to the firefighter in the Middle East?
Very nice question. When I mention it's a revolutionary solution, it is really a revolutionary solution. When you talk about the normal nozzles in the market, with full respect to their products, and we of course know that there is a lot of benefits, a lot of fires has been fighted by the old nozzles.
Yeah.
But when you have something new, matching your needs, it's actually targeting what you're looking for. I think this is the biggest adding value in the market in the Middle East is HEN Nozzles. Right now for the nozzles sector, I'm talking about the nozzle sectors. And it's not a joke when I say that I'm expecting within 5 to 6 years or to 7 years that HEN Nozzles will be in every single station in the region. Not only one piece, it's gonna be in so many pieces. This is what we are targeting, this is what we are expecting. We did our survey, we did our research, we did our marketing analysis, and we talked to our clients. We have a very potential and a very high expectation from the end user, and this is what they told us, we are not only expecting, has been told them by the clients.
So, you heard it from Mohammad, the research has been done, the preparation's been done, so all the groundwork is there ready for the launch of the nozzle. And again, I agree with you, we have for hundreds of years we've had nozzles of some kind right the way back, but we've seen the evolution. And you talked about the nozzles putting fires out. It's a bit like the 747s through millions and millions of miles. It was a great aircraft, but there's better things coming. So it's all about evolution. It's all about improving. And when that is firefighter safety, life safety, we only have to applaud it. So this is certainly not the last you're going to hear about HEN Nozzles. It's certainly not the last time that I'm going to be speaking to Mohammad. And I would say that if you want to hear it again, you want to watch the videos, then get in touch with Mohammad and his team, and they'll give you all the information that you need. My name's Duncan White. I'm the managing editor of the International Fire Safety Journal, and I've had the pleasure of talking to Mohammad.
Nice to see you. Thank you so much.
And you, my friend.
Welcome.
It's a pleasure.
Please.
Take care.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure, sir.